Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make a paper quilled heart key tag. I'm using shredded 3mm paper strips for this project. We will need just around 6 strips for this project. I'm using a paper shredder and A4 sized color papers, black and red. We need the quilling couch, quilling board, border body circle shape, key tag rings, white glue and quilling slotted tool. Collect all these paper quilling tools and come on, let's get started. Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did, please do not forget to leave a comment below. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to get our latest videos in your notifications. Thanks for watching.